on behalf of this team, and we give you a name of Musinguzi. Take the leadership of Angore, take the leadership of Bunyoro, take the leadership of the whole of Uganda, and we receive you today as our new leader. Thank you very much, and with that, Musinguzi oye! I would have loved to introduce them because I know we have people from all over Western region. As you are seated there, please can I just steal this moment? I can put it. I want you to stand there, please. You did a good job for us. You cannot go unnoticed. You see this gentleman, Akampurira, he mobilized all the candidates, of course, with Julian and the rest of the team, received him because he supported us. Now, can I see the people from Bunyoro? Put up your hands. Go there so that Musinguzi can see you. Musinguzi, that is our team from Bunyoro. Can I see from Toro? I know time is running. Toro, Chigezi, just put up your hand wherever you. We have to stop there because of the time. I therefore take this humble opportunity to invite you, my President Robert Kyagulanyi Musinguzi, to come and address your people. Thank you.
Yebare mnonga mama. Kurugeri zoba nibanyita Musinguzi. Ati nina kubawa assurance nituza kusingura. Thank you. Nelizoba Joro senyonyi yampende. Yebare Joro. Nanyi nakwente. Joro nakwente umuza bright. Before I say a thing, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to share this historical moment with a very special woman, the love of my life. Kindly come and say a word or two before we proceed.
Bari mnonga, Your Excellency. Abebitini samwe na baryaha, abebembezi bambarra, abutwisha nabo kuruga Kampala, aba NUP Secondary School, aba mahurre, nimwe abemeriraho n'abaramutya. Naza kweyanjura kunganinye yanjura rimwe baryaho hare. Amazina ganje ninye Itungo, ndi muhara wa Kagaju, ndiye muzira burunga, kandi ndiye mucyara Kyagulanyi. Abantu bambarira mwebare kungundira omuntu mwebare timwanshwaza. Hina kiri kubasa kubasha nafutendereze. Tendereza Yesu asimwe. Yesu asimwe. Elizoba nizoba ry'amani. Elizoba nizoba ry'obujurizi. Yo kwijuka. Okusinga omumagara g'abantu bambara. Abantu bambara mukandera nti lyo mwana muto ndi kushoma sentere nzahariya Nyamitanga. Omumwona nimanya nkatambuzamu ebigere twije hano kuzana akapira ka netball Julian arayi. Ogu Julian nkashoma nawe. Julian tukanduzana hamwe center ya netball. Babuna hende ko mkono Julian we yampendi yanshende chizo kuntwaro mwirwaro. Julian we bare kuba. We bare mirimo. Abantu bambara tindagambe bingi. Konka ni nyenda kubagambira ngo ogu muntu wijahera izoba. Omwaheza kwakazina karungi ka musinguzi. Naza kubaretera obusinguzi. Konka obusinguzi ogo naza kubareta mwaheza kumushajika. Mwebare okwisha kwanyu okunabare bamhanda okumwana mu Rwanda na polisi mutatine tiya gasi mukemereraho mukatuhubira mukaturamutya mukatuheshara mukatuhemigisha bantu mwe ruhanga bampere mukukira kukunda tiragambe binja rutaro ruturu ninza kurondera indi izoba mgambe akwantu zagaruka hano gukora campaign naenda ngumbebaze mwebare mwami Kyagulanyi Mr. Musinguzi nsasira okuzomu speech yawe nkajugambira mu bingi konkana ntakubasa kunama. Your Excellency, I will appreciate you for giving me a platform to say something to the people of Mbarara, and I know this was your speech time. I really appreciate, and I will let you speak to the people. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Orugamba kururiwa turyajware chirunga turyajware chirunga turyajware chirunga orugamba kururiwa turyajware chirunga turisemero myugandensa webari munonga bantume musasire erizoba nizo gambo mu rujungu. The people of Uganda gathered in this place here today, and all those watching us all over the country and all over the world. Madam Deputy President, Western Uganda, Mr. Deputy President, Central Uganda, Madam Deputy President, Northern Uganda, Mr. Deputy President, Northern Uganda, Eastern Uganda, I beg your pardon. Allow me to invite my brother, Peter Mpaka, to translate for me, because I want to ensure that every Ugandan, particularly the lovely people of Western Uganda, the lovely people of Ankole, I want them to hear me loud and clear.
Umuyobozi witu yashara Mungu tufunure kugira ngo tuwe no kurikiriza speech eji abase kura amakuru n'ebigambo ebyariyo nagamba mwebale munonga.
So again, to the people of Uganda, here gathered today and all over the country, indeed all over the world.
Abantu ba Uganda abali mu mwanya ogu n'abali mu myanya endijo mu Uganda na no mu Siona.
Madam Deputy President, Western Uganda.
Na Madam Deputy President, Western Uganda.
The Honorable Jole Mugisha.
Honorable Jole Mugisha.
Mr. Deputy President, Central Uganda, the Honorable Matthias Mpuga.
Deputy President, Central Uganda, Honorable Matthias Mpuga.
Madam Deputy President, Dr. Zedriga Lina Waru.
Yes.
The girl from West Nile.
Yeah, from Zedriga, Ugomu West Nile.
Mr. Deputy President, Eastern Uganda, the Honorable John Baptist Nambeshe.
Deputy President, Ugomu Burguzo wa Uganda, Honorable Nambeshe.
The next First Lady of the Republic of Uganda.
First Lady Akwata Wihangaliti ya Uganda.
Mrs. Barbara.
Mrs. Barbara Itungo
Kagaju Chagulanyi
Musinguzi.
We shall discuss whether we share Musinguzi because it's too nice to have it to myself.
Yes.
Distinguished leaders of the National Unity Platform.
Abebembezi ombitisa byanya bakwembere kibina kitu cha National Unity Platform.
Abantu bambara mwena abali hale Murio.
The people of Mbarara who are over there, are you there?
Buhoro.
Buhoro.
Buhoro je.
Buhoro je. Mugumire busima.
First of all, it is not by mistake that in observing protocol, I started with you, the ordinary citizens of Uganda.
Echokubanza tishobi ngomkugambe bitinsa by'abantu abakukunani bigamba nabanza nagamba imwe abantu baburizo abanya-Uganda.
Yes, I intended it. Recognize you before even the leaders.
Nabanchimanyise kubanza nabateka mu ekitinisimu abantu ababurizo ntakagirana nangwa n'abebembezi abebitinsa byabo.
We have told you right from the beginning, and we are saying it again, that it is our policy to put the people of Uganda first in everything that we do.
Chigamba kana nani zaga kanchiteke esira chikatirize ngu nenkora yitu nekigenderwa kitkureba ngo abantu babulija ba Uganda babarbo abutwahiriza umwanya gwo kubanza.
And it is our assurance that when we take over government, which we shall very soon do,
kandi obuno buhamu tweza kutene twatwira bwebembezi bwihangeri okutuza kuchikora mangu.
For the first time in the history of Uganda, the people of Uganda will be the true bosses, and we, the leaders, will be their servants. Countrymen and women, I bring you greetings.
So
and I thank the Almighty God for giving us the opportunity to be here today.
Kandi nisima rahanga ruchirabona bokutereza omugisha kubaha erizoba omu ankole omulimbarara omu Western Uganda.
The last time I was in Kacheka Stadium, I had come here for a concert, but now I am here to launch the manifesto of the National Unity Platform.
Obumpereka kuijaha kanjishiro mu kivuro ky'ebyeshongoro kongera izoba ndyaha mukoro gw'amani ogwo kutongoza manifesto y'ekigombe kitu ekya National Unity Platform.
It has been a long struggle, a long journey, but all I can say right now is Ebenezer. That's far the Lord has brought us. And we strongly believe in our hearts that the Almighty God will lead us to the new Uganda which we all aspire to reach. Fellow citizens of Uganda, before I go into any policy alternatives,
abantu ba Uganda bampurikirize ndakagira mu kugamba ombite bitukwenda kukora.
Allow me to mention that the greatness of any nation
munyikirize mbagambire ngu obukuru bw'ihanga lyona lyarabireho
does not lie in the beauty of a manifesto or how many beautiful policy documents that have been written.
obukuru obwo tuburi mu bihandiko na n'ebitabo nanga na za manifesto z'amaani nange ennungi ezibakogabwa bahandikire.
The greatness of any nation lies in the commitment of the leaders to say what they mean and to mean what they say.
obukuru bw'ihanga buliyo mu beebembezi okugamba eki bari kumanyisa kandi bakamanyisana n'eki bari kugamba.
It lies in patriotic leaders who feel the challenges, who understand the challenges of the ordinary people that they lead.
obukuru bw'ihanga buliyo mu beebembezi kugira omutima gw'ihanga kufa ihanga lyabo bakafana n'aha muntu wa bulijo n'obusaasi obwakuba naarabamu obwakuba naareeba.
The greatness of a nation lies in leaders who focus on the next generation, not the next general election.
obwebembezi obukuru bw'ihanga buliyo mu beebembezi abakurangwa amaani bagateeka aha linyensi y'ihanga iryoririza tukuteeka amaani aha kuteera akaruru akakuza kubaho.
I'm not saying that there's no value in having a manifesto,
tikugira ngu tiharimu mugasho mu kugira manifesto,
but I want to emphasize that no matter how beautiful the ideas of any candidate in the manifesto are,
konka nyina kukiteekaho esira ngu n'obwo ebyo omuntu akuba naagamba nange ahandika manifesto nibyo kuba biri birungi bita,
if there is no will for the leaders to better the lives of the people that they lead,
haaba hatariho ekyetengo omu mitima y'omwebembezi kugira ngu aboneze amagara g'abantu abakwebembera,
everything will be just talk.
byona ebindi byona na manifesto nibuba biri orugambo butarimu muhoho.
And to emphasize this point, ladies and gentlemen,
kandi okuteeka n'amaani aha nsonga egi endiyo ningamba,
just look at all the manifestos that the NRM government has presented to us since 1996.
myenda mureebe za manifesto zoona ezi gavumenti ya NRM tureetera kuruga omwaka gwa 96,
Since 1996.
kuruga omwaka gwa 1996.
A quick look through the promises each election year.
wareeba ebiraganisa vision baraganisa buri mwaka gw'okuteera akaruru.
This quick look will make you see the lies and the contradictions that lie in the manifestos that are bringing.
noija kureeba ebishuba oreebe n'okubuzaabuza n'okucangacanga okuri omu za manifesto ezi batwine bahandiika.
Yes, those manifestos that they presented to us for this last so many years.
eza manifesto zoona ezi batwine batwereka emyaka yona ehingwire tarimu muhoho byona n'ebishuba n'okutucangacanga.
Just in the last election year
omwaka ogwahwire ogu twateereremu obururu
of 2016,
2016,
General Museveni went as far as lying to our children.
General Museveni akabiha yabihana n'abaana bitu.
He went all over the country promising that the government will provide free sanitary pads for our school-going children.
yagenda n'agambira ihanga lyona ngu abaana bitu babishiki nibakubaheereza obwo obuntu bwakweshegura okwaimu amanyagye.
He said that that is what will help our girl children keep in school.
akugira ngu obwo obuntu nibuza kuyamba abaana bitu baguma omu mashomero.
But up to today,
konka n'okusya n'ekishaaha
this promise has been just like all other promises.
ekyo ekiraganiso tikikayikizibwaga kibire nk'ebindi biraganiso batwine
Just
bagamba.
like all the promises he has made,
nk'ebindi biraganiso byona batwine bagamba.
it stayed in words.
kyaguma kiri omu bigambo bugambo.
When she was asked about this,
kuba mubuuriza ahari eki,
General Museveni's wife,
omukyala wa General Yoweri Museveni
who also doubles as the Minister of Education,
kandi olwe niwe minisita w'ebyokubwegyese,
she claimed that there was no money for the sanitary pads.
akagira ngu bambe esente z'okugura obushege obwe bambe tiziruho.
She said she was sorry that promise would not be fulfilled.
yagira ati apaana munsaasire ekiraganiso ekyo tikirakorweho tikirakirizibwe.
But the government of Uganda has never failed to find billions of shillings to bribe MPs to pass bad laws.
konka gavumenti tekaburaga sente z'okuheereza ba MP kugira ngu biikirize ebiragiro byagafura bitakufaha muntu wa bulijo.
They have never failed to find billions of shillings to buy off political opponents or to hire mercenaries to sing praises for the regime.
tibakaburaga kutunga sente z'okugira ngu zigure abantu b'okupangapangira n'okweshongora obutegetsi bwabo.
They have never failed to find money for the luxurious travels abroad for the political class.
na n'okuronda sente z'abantu abebembezi abari omu kirasi ezo kugenda bakaza yeeru kucakara n'okudigida.
And yes, they have never failed to find money for tear gas and all equipment of operation.
kandi tibakaburaga n'okutunga esente z'ogw'omwiko gukuba niguturiza gukaturya amiisho gukatwikisa kubi ezo sente zo nibazibona.
But they could not find money
konka bakabura kutunga sente
to buy sanitary pads for our young girl children so as to enable them stay in school.
sente zo kugura obushego bunana abagambire kugira ngo abana bita babiki babase kuguma mu ishomero bari kusoma.
It will also be remembered
Ntwizana go kwizukwa
that the rate at which children are dropping out of school in Uganda
mu speed eyabana bakurikira mu mashomero mu Uganda
is one of the highest in Africa and indeed the whole world.
Uganda niye chebembene mu mahanga gebembe kusanga abana ne bargo mu mashomero ne barimo kusoma.
According to the figures coming from UNEP,
okurgo mu bihandiko na nembare kurgo mu UNEP ekitongole cy'ebizamu bya primary na nebindi n'izindi classes,
out of the 12.2 million children who started P1 over the last 20 years,
okurugira mu barogo abana obukikuri 12 no buceka 20 abana bakutandika ekibina cyo kubanza mu myaka ehingwire
only 6.9 million children were able to complete P7.
no shanga abana obukikuru mwenda no buceka obukikuru mukaga no buceka mwenda no bakubasa kugumizamu bakamara ekibine cya musanzu.
That is only 57%.
ekikwereka ngo baba ari obuceka 5 na musanzu aharigana abandi bona ne bargo mu ishomero.
And sadly, the dropout rate is even much higher within the girl children.
kandi ekikusasa munonga abana bakucha no kurgo mu ishomero n'abana babishiki bo bakuremo kusoma.
Here in Barara,
omulimba raleji
10,099 children aged between 6 and 15 years,
abana bakurengo mutwaro ahagati y'emyaka 15
they are not attending school.
aba bana tubari mu ishomero n'akace.
Over 72.9% of the people in Greater Mbarara district,
abantu obukikuru musanzu no buceka mwenda omulimbarara
they only have senior 4 as their highest level of education.
nana ankore yona wajigitira hamwe okusoma kwabo kw'amaani okubire bakakuma mu kibiina kya kana ekya senior.
According to UNESCO,
okurugera ahambarire ya UNESCO
more than half of the female children who begin primary school in Uganda,
ekicweka kirengire kimwe kya kabiri cy'abakutandika ishomero mu Uganda
they don't complete school.
tebakumara emisomo yabo.
In some way or another, this is attributed to lack of sanitary pads.
hati ekino osanga ensonga enkure kuremesa ababishiki kusoma n'okubura bwa bushego obunana abagambireho.
That a government can fail to find money to save our female children, yet they find money for luxury and repression,
mwene okusanga ngu government nebura sente zo kuyamba ababishiki bitu konka ekatunga sente zo kubadala n'okucakara n'okudigida.
this speaks of the highest level of misuse of public resources.
ekintu kiyoreka owenjerembi erengeserize eyisente zo muhiwa omusoro esente ziyanga gitu zikozesebwamu.
It also shows lack of empathy and how much the government is disconnected from the common person.
Nichorekana no kubura okusasibwa abantu na no ku government etineka kwate takwataganira n'omuntu wansi.
It speaks of a government which does not care whatsoever about the plight of the people.
Nichigamba nichoreka a government nango obutegetsi obutakufa aha busasi bw'abantu obarukurabamu.
Fellow Ugandans,
nabwe cyabanya Uganda batahi banje.
the election year is yet upon us again.
Lepo mwaka gukutera karuru kandi gwatugarukira.
Once again, General Museveni has come with the same promises.
General Museveni agarukira n'ebiraganisho byo bumwe.
The same promises which he has failed to fulfill in the past.
Ebyabuzire kushikiriza omyaka ehingwire.
The same promises which he has no intention to fulfill, not now, not in the future.
Ebyatetire yo nangwa no kushikiriza bwa hati na no myaka erikuija.
That is the tragedy of Uganda.
Akonuko kabiri bwo busasi niyo naku Uganda erimu.
Friends,
nabwe cyabanywana banje.
My assurance to Uganda
obuhamize bwanje bukereza abanya-Uganda
is that we are not here only to make promises in order to win power.
No kugira ngo tuturya kugira ngo tubaraganise kugira ngo muterezo obutegetsi.
I'm saying we are not here to make promises so that we win power.
Nagira ngo turya kugira ngo turaganise kugira ngo tusingure tutunga obutegetsi.
The National Unity Platform is committed to working with all Ugandans to improve their lives.
National Unity Platform yehire okukoregana n'abanya-Uganda bonna kugira ngo amagara gabo gabe kurungi munonga.
We believe that immediately after taking over government,
tukiriza ngo twaweza kutwara obutegetsi bw'ihanga eri.
every Ugandan from Kabong to Kisoro
buri umunyayuganda kuruga Kabongo kuza Kisoro,
from Yumbe to Busia,
kuruga Yumbe kuza Busia,
they will experience a meaningful change in the way
bona
they
baza
live.
kurra magara agempinduka ebimire mu Gasoro.
As you have heard, ladies and gentlemen,
Ngo kumamachurire
we have already clustered our promises in 5 critical points.
ebiraganiso byitu tubitire 2005 ebikuru munonga.
My comrade Flavia has told us that we call them the Feast 5.
Munani wanje Flavia yabigambe tubitire 2005 ngoko kurebinga ritaneze zikore kiganza.
And that is why we lift our fist in the air.
Nchocho kantwimusia ekiganza chitu
That is the meaning of the fist that we push in the air.
Echonche chikumanyisa ekiganza chitu kubantwimusia.
These are not merely promises.
Ebitibiraganiso
These are action points which we believe can and shall be delivered. Our promise to the teachers of Uganda is that we shall prioritize their welfare. Teachers must not more to be paid a salary. A salary which is not even enough to pay the school fees of their own children. Teachers should be respectable citizens. Our government will ensure that teachers receive a decent salary. Teachers will be respected because teachers are the nation is. That is the motto of teachers, and we shall respect it. Our government will ensure that teachers earn a decent salary. Once again, I say. And for the third time, I'm saying it, our government will ensure that our teachers get a decent salary. Government we shall ensure that they have decent accommodation, and we shall make sure they have a decent retirement package when they retire. Our promise to the health workers is that their work will be respected and rewarded by the government. Today, Uganda loses more than 100 doctors every year who leave the country in search for greener pastures. Some of those doctors even go to neighboring countries such as South Sudan, Kenya, and Rwanda. The lower level health workers are not exempted from the challenges of poor payment. They lack training opportunities. And needless to say, there is absence of equipment in the health facility. My own mother was a midwife. And I understand the challenges midwives go through. In sometimes they have to use candles, they have to use torches, they even have to use turnover. Simply because they have to deliver the children of Uganda. Our promise to all the health workers is that our government will prioritize their welfare and ensure that they are paid well and on time. I say it again, the health workers will be paid well and they will be paid on time.
kandi nkigamba ku runyingo abakora by'amagara nibiza kusasurwa gye kandi basasurwe omubwire.
Now, let me repeat our promise to our brothers and sisters in uniform.
hatikanga arikyemu ekiraganiso kiitu ahari bataayi biitu abasirikale abapoliisi n'abamahina n'omu bindi ebitongole.
The soldiers, the police officers, and the prison officers.
abasirikale abapoliisi abamahe n'abakukuma omu bihome.
There is no reason why soldiers should live in dilapidated houses.
tari ensonga bwenki abasirikale biine kurara omu buzu bubwire kahumpuli bona bukusha kubi.
In many cases, they don't have any running water or electricity.
omu buzu obwe tibiine muna amashanyarazi tibiine muna n'amaizi.
When you look at the conditions of the police stations all over the country,
okugenda wareeba emyanya eza poliisi ezimwe ziri omu ihanga,
you wonder why these police officers and military officers, which the regime relies on to keep in power,
noyebuuza habweki aba abasirikale obutegetsi obu bwesigamiire okuguma omu butegetsi.
you wonder why they are treated with so much disrespect.
noyebuuza bwaki otangaara nibakorwa kubi batakuteekwa omu kitiinisa.
About 20 years ago, the World Health Organization declared
omu myaka nka 20 ehingwire ekitongole ky'amagara omu nsi yoona kikarangira
and called for a complete elimination and abolition of asbestos iron sheets.
kyarangira okwihaga amabaati agakozibwa omu kika kya asbestos
because they cause cancer.
ahakubaga amabaati obu obuntu obukuba niburagarika nibureeta kokoro
Up to today,
konka n'okusenda eshaaha egi
our police officers in the country are still living under old asbestos roofed houses.
hati abasirikale biitu omu ihanga lyona bakiri omu maju agashakirwaga amabaati aga asbestos.
Of course, poor housing does not only affect our men and women in uniform,
hati enyombeka embi n'amaju mabi tikikukora kubi abasirikale biitu bonka
but affects all Ugandans.
konka nikikwata abanyayuganda boona kandi kibakora
It affects the children of the police officers, the same that are shooting tear gas.
nikikora kubi abasirikale aba abarimu bateera tiya gaasi
It affects the children of the soldiers,
nikikora kubi abaana b'abasirikale
and the children of those soldiers are the same children that are going to marry our children, and our children are going to marry their children.
kandi abo abaana b'abasirikale bakusachora abaana biitu n'abaana biitu bakashwerwa omu baana
They are fellow Ugandans.
akuba nabo
They
n'abanyayuganda
deserve
batari
better,
nibeetenga
and they must get better.
kandi bateekwa kutunga
And I'm
kurungi
sure if they get better,
kandi baza kuba kurungi
they will treat their fellow citizens better.
nibiza kutwaza abanyayuganda.
According to the Uganda Bureau of Statistics,
okurugera Uganda Bureau of Statistics,
about 94% of the people in Mbarara
abantu nka 94 mu bantu omuli Mbarara
are not living in decent houses.
tebakutuura mu maju marungi.
Over 1,000 households
amaka agakurenga omu 1,000
don't have a toilet.
tibiine toyireti.
That should not happen when we have a new Uganda.
ekyo kishemereire kubaho omu Uganda ensya.
Excuse me, let me sneeze the tear gas. People power! Our power! Our power! People power! NUP!
Everywhere!
Everywhere!
NUP!
I'm still talking about our soldiers.
Nikigamba abasirikale biitu.
Our soldiers, police officers, and prison officers live like beggars even when they do a lot of work.
Abasirikale biitu nibatuura omu magara g'okushabiriza bari nk'abashabiriza kandi bo nibakora emirimo mingi.
There is no fairness in promotions and deployments.
Tahariho oburinganiza omu kubaheereza emirimo na n'omu kubapromotinga nango kumboogera haiguru.
In many cases, promotions and deployments are not made based on merit.
Kandi na n'okutongozebwa kw'aba bamwe tikukurugyerera aha bukugu bwabo na n'ebi bakozire.
But they are made on who knows who.
Okutongozebwa okwo nikuruga ahari n'omanya oha nanga n'ohari kukumanya.
Our promise to you, the soldiers and police officers,
Ekiraganiso kiitu ahari imwe abasirikale
is that you will be paid better as soon as we are in
n'okugira
government.
kuweza kukwija omu gavumenti.
We understand that many of our promises may not be implemented immediately,
but
our promise is to pay at least a minimum of 1 million shillings to the soldiers, the police officers, and this will take immediate effect.
Polisi ombihome at least status dana asiaka kikulu kamwe kande chichonchiza kubaho immediately aho now tuweza kutaho office.
This is because the money is there and we know it. I said that money is there and we know it. We shall get all the money that is hidden and stolen in form of a classified expenditure. And we shall use it to improve the lives of these men and women who keep awake every night to keep us safe. I have said it before and I'm saying it again, that the majority of our police officers and soldiers are good people and they are decent citizens. Even when they are sent to beat us, to tear gas us, or even to kill us. Many of them don't like beating us. They don't like firing tear gas at us. They are human beings like us. They are our brothers or brothers-in-law. They are our sisters and sisters-in-law. They are our friends. Their children go to the same schools with us. They go to the same nightclubs and bars with us. They watch and support the same football games with us. They sure don't like what they are doing. And while we are liberating the nation, we must liberate them as well. I must say this, ladies and gentlemen, that after improving their welfare, we shall have the moral authority to demand them to respect the dignity and rights of the citizens. Now our promise to the young people of Uganda, to the youth of Uganda, our promise is that we shall ensure that we find meaningful employment opportunities for you. In our term of office, before it expires, we undertake to create at least 5 million jobs. We shall do this by focusing our priorities and investing in technology and embarking on massive scales of industrialization. Our promise to all the Ugandans is that we shall safeguard their land. I said this again to Ugandans, we shall safeguard your land. We shall put an end to the massive levels of land grabbing. No citizen should be deprived of his or her land. And if it's done, if that should happen, they must have access to justice. Our promise to the ordinary citizens of Uganda who work in the informal sector is that your work will be valued and respected.
emirimo yanyu nayo tuzakugiteekamu ekitiinisa.
It will be valued, respected, and rewarded.
Tuzakugiteekamu ekitiinisa kandi buzima tugiteekemu n'omugaso emirimo yanyu.
Those who ride bodabodas,
abakuvuga obupiki obwa bodaboda,
those who work in the taxi industry,
abakora omu taxi,
the mechanics,
abantu bamakanika,
the ordinary businessmen and
abantu
women,
babulija abakora emishuburo
the
yabo
housemaids, the industrial workers,
abakora omu
and
makolero
all the categories.
na n'ebibiina byona ebindi ebintu agambaho.
The principle must be that if you work hard, you must earn from your labor.
Enkora neza kubeera ngu wakora n'amaani buzima omulimo gwo gushobora kugira ekigwakugasira.
The Banyankole have a saying,
Abanyankole biine enfumu
they say, ebirungi biruga omu tutu.
erikugira ngu the good things come from the sweat.
Ebirungi biva mu ntuuyo.
Ebirungi nibiruga omu tutu.
We shall stop the witch hunt of private business owners.
Ntuza kwemereza okushanga ngu abantu abakukora emirimo yabo nk'abantu nibayiganisibwa nibakorwa kubi.
Those who are persecuted for real or perceived opposition to the government.
Aba bakuhiganisibwa ngu akuba nibarebeka nk'abakutukanisa gavumenti.
We shall ensure that the taxes imposed on businesses are reasonable, and once collected, those taxes will be put to the right use.
Tuzakurebeka ngu emisoro erikuteekwa aha mirimo yanyu na za bizinesi zanyu yaba eri emisoro ey'oburinganiza, emisoro ey'amazima, kandi egyo emisoro twaza kugitunga nabwo twagikozesa emirimo ey'okugasira ihanga.
Our promise to the mothers of Uganda.
Ekitukuragaanisa abamaama abazaire omu Uganda.
Let me promise this again to the mothers of Uganda wherever you are.
Kangaleke mbaraganise eki abazaire bamaama ab'omu Uganda.
Never again, mothers, will you feel unsafe giving birth in Uganda.
Tikirugaruka kubaho mama kuza kuzaara okabura wewe biragwoba obine bahamwe
Tugenda
kurasa.
kuddamu kugamba nti olutalo lw'okuzaala.
Ekyo kigambo ekyo kugira ngu olutalo ndio niza kuzaara konka n'olutalo ekyo kiza kweba.
Tujja kugamba ekirabo ky'okuzaala.
Tuza kuba tugamba ngu naatunga omugisha kuza kuzaara.
As we have pledged,
Nk'oku twatwaraganise.
we must have a maternal health facility at every sub-county in Uganda,
Tuza kurebeka ngu buri muruka gwagira izariro
so
omu
that
Uganda.
mothers do not have to move miles and miles to access a midwife.
Kugira ngu abamama batibakwetega kutambura engyendo ningwa kutunga obuzaarisa.
Here in Mbarara,
Aho muri Mbarara
15% of the households have to walk more than 5 kilometers away from a health facility.
obucweki 15 aha buri 10 bw'abantu nibateekwa kutambura orugendo rutaransi ya kilomita 5 kugira ngu babase kuhika aha karwaro.
We will be guided by the Maputo Protocol
Tuza kwebemberwa ekihandiiko kya Maputo
and the Abuja Declaration,
na n'ekihandiiko kya Abuja.
and we shall ensure that at least 15% of our national budget goes to the health sector.
Turebeke obucweki 15 bw'embalirira y'ihanga bwaza omu kitongole eky'ebyamagara.
And we shall focus our health sector mainly to the women and children.
Kandi na n'ebyamagara tuza kubiteekesera munonga aha bakazi hamwe n'abaana.
Our promise to the local investors
Ekitugulaganisa abakuinvestinga abakubyala esente kugira ngu bakore bizinesi
is that we shall treat you the same as we treat the foreign investors.
n'okugira ngu tuza kubakora niko kumwe nk'okutukora abakuruka heeru tuza kukora eby'obusuubuzi omu Uganda.
In this way,
Omu ngyera egi
domestic innovation projects will be supported with business accommodation for a limited period.
abantu bitu abanya-Uganda bakuyiya bakakora business projects zaabo tuza kurebeka ngu twabakiira twabakora kurungi twabasa n'okubateekamu obuyambi kugira ngu ebiteekateeko byabo business zaabo zabasa kwemerera kandi zahama.
We shall give them tax waivers
Tuza kubiyaho emisoro ebakuteeka abaana bakuruga heeru
and energy subsidies.
kandi tubasarira n'aha amashanyarazi kuba kuba nibayenda kusa omu makorero gaabo.
In our government,
Omu butegetsi bwitu
doing business in Uganda
okukora eby'omushuburo omu Uganda
will be fun for Ugandans.
tuza kubateekera kushemeza abanyarwanda mwenu tuza kushemererwa mukora obushubuzi bwanyu.
Uganda is full of young talent.
Uganda eyijwiremu emigazu ekiri mito
we shall focus on promoting the expertise in our midst by investing in skilling programs for our young people.
tuzakurangwesera twaliteka okurebeka ngo abantu abino obukugwa abakiri bato babasa kutendekwa bayongera obukugu bwabo babasa kuba bamaani.
We shall do this by deliberately finding opportunities for them to practice their skills.
tuzakukora eki tukubarondera emyanya na n'emigisha yo kugira ngo babasa kwereka talents zabo nange emigazi yabo babasa kurugayo.
To increase access to capital,
kandi okwongera omukuhereza abantu sente z'entandikwa,
the National Unity Platform shall begin the process of facilitating and setting up trust funds.
National Unity Platform nekuteekaho trust fund nange sente z'omuntu akubasa kukaho akatunga obutandikiro.
Beneficiaries of this will be mainly secondary school students
abarakuzaganyirwamu omuntu bakuba bali abaana b'omu masomero aga secondary
and those that leave school early.
na n'abo abakuruga omu ishomero kitararire.
Investment trust funds can be banked on.
esente ezi ntubasa kuzesigamira.
Investment trust funds can be banked and invested domestically and overseas.
esente ezi nizibasa kuba ziri omu byanga omu Uganda kandi abantu bakubasa kuzikaho bakabasa kugira ekibazo.
And this way we shall be sure that we'll promote a saving culture within our young people.
ekintu n'okuyamba abaana bitu bato kugira ngo babase kurebeka ngo bagira omuze ogw'okukora kandi bakajya na sente ezibayibikira.
Just a few years ago, Uganda was ranked the most entrepreneurial country in the world.
omu myaka mikye yinguye Uganda bakagihereza omwanya gw'okubanza omu mahanga garimu abantu abakuyiya bakateeka obwa business bwabo.
Why then are our small businesses not seeing their first birthday?
mwesha bwenki business zitu zitakubasa kuhangara kumara omwaka gumwe kandi obwe tukuziteeka ekyo nikiza kuhinduka omu Uganda ensya.
Now, our promise to the farmers.
Ekitukuragaanisa abahingi.
Our promise to the farmers is that we shall focus on sourcing for the right inputs,
n'okugira ngu ntuza kubarondera embibe ennungi
to encourage and support cooperative unions for farmers,
tugaruke tuteekemu amaani omu bigombe byitu eby'abahingi ebyabeire bituuraho.
we shall source for regional and global markets.
turondera n'obutale omu byanga byitu na n'omu nsi ezaheeru.
This will be for all our Ugandan agricultural products.
kandi eki nikikuba kigeca ebihingwa byitu ebimera byitu amasharuuro byitu agutukukoreraho omu Uganda.
And yes, we shall ensure that our products have a competitive level at the world market.
kandi nitukurebeka ngu ebihingwa byitu na n'emisharuuro yitu yaba mirungi munonga yagira kwati nungi na yaza heeru yatunga akatare.
This has been done before
eki kyarakozirweho
and we can do it again.
kandi tubasa kugaruka
When I was in primary school,
obu nabe ndi omu primary
we were ranked among the top producers of quality coffee.
tukaba turi ihanga rya Uganda rikaba ririmu omu ihanga nirisharuura nisindika kofi nungi munonga.
What happened to that, ladies and gentlemen?
ekyo kikaba kyabishemwe.
That question will be answered by the National Unity Platform
ekibuuzo ekyo kizagarukwa mu National Unity Platform
as soon as you elect us into power.
mwayeza kutuheereza obutegetsi tukebembera.
In that regard, ladies and gentlemen,
omuli ekyabishemwe abampurikize
I stand here mindful of the people of Mbarara and Ankole generally.
ninyemerera aha omutima gwanjye guri munonga abantu ba Ankole na n'abantu ba Mbarara mwena.
Those who depend largely on agriculture and farming.
abo b'amaani gaabo n'amagara gaabo gesigamire obuhingi na n'obuliisa.
Those who have faced so many problems in the recent past.
abo abarabira omu bizibu byingi omu biro bikye bihingwire.
Problems including fake drugs and pesticides,
otiiremu emibazi mibi embi ey'okurwanisa ebinyamisha bikusiisha emisiri yitu.
low prices for their milk and their matoke,
ebizibu ebirimu esente nke ahabwa amate gaabo na n'ebihingwa byabo emisharuuro yabo
and many others.
na n'ebindi bizibu byingi ebimu kubuuka n'okwo.
So many farmers have lost their cows,
abahingi bingi abaliisa bingi ente zaabo zibafiireho,
while those who specialize in crop production have been disadvantaged in the same way.
kandi n'abakuhinga ab'emisharuuro yabo y'omu misiri nabo tubaganyirwemu na nakakye.
We must be innovative, friends. We are young people. We must change the style of doing things.
tusemeye kuhindura enjera yitukoramu enkora yitu na n'empinga yitu.
We are going to start doing that when we are in power.
tuza kutandika kukora ekyo twaba turi omu butegetsi.
Now, our promise to the Ugandans in the diaspora.
Ekitukuraganisa abanyayuganda bali mu mahanga gaherokwe.
Those who continue supporting our struggle.
Abagumizamu kuhagira olutalo rwitu.
I can only tell you, brothers and sisters, that we shall run a government that will make it very attractive for you to come back home.
We
will start being proud of being called a Ugandan. Our nation will no longer be in the news for the wrong reasons. You will once again be proud to say you are from Uganda. You will have reason to invest in Uganda. You will have reason to bring your friends to Uganda. And you will have reason to live in Uganda. I could go on and on and on, ladies and gentlemen. But like I've said already, our future does not lie so much in what we promise today, but in our commitment to improving the lives of our people. We are committed to improving the lives of the entertainers like myself. I say we are committed to improving the lives of entertainers like myself, artists, the comedians, the painters, the writers, and all other creatives. Your day will have come. Our day we will have come. We are also committed to fostering gender equality. Ladies, are you there? I say we are committed to gender equality. Gender equality in the economic, social, and political spaces. Women and girls will have the same opportunity as boys and men. Nation growth. We are committed to building strong relations with our neighboring countries and the entire global community. We are committed to promoting peace and security, focusing on both the physical and economic security of our people. This is our promise to Uganda. In the new Uganda, the opposition will not be the biggest enemy of the state. Instead, we shall be turning our guns to poverty, disease, and ignorance. We shall not turn our guns to our citizens for disagreeing with us. We shall fight poverty, disease, and ignorance. It is very painful when one travels across the country and sees thinking and disturbing levels of poverty. That must change. That will change. Therefore, country women and men, I call upon you today. I said I call upon you today to vote for me and the National Unity Platform. A vote for the National Unity Platform
akaruru korahereza National Unity Platform
is a vote for democracy and the rule of law in Uganda.
noba wateeka omwebembezi bw'abantu omubantu kandi wateeka obuhame omu ihanga ry'etu
A
Uganda.
vote for the National Unity Platform
Akarura korateera National Unity Platform
is a vote for equality and fairness.
nako bulinganiza na n'obuntu bulamu.
A vote for the National Unity Platform
Akarura korateera National Unity Platform
is a vote for constitutional reform,
nakarura kakuza kuleta empinduko mu ngeri y'ihanga ry'etu likutegekwamu.
where we shall fix and restore the term limits.
Aho tuzana okugaruzaho omwebembezi kutegeka omubwire gwashobora kuba nategekeramu.
In the new Uganda,
Omu Uganda ensya
it will be treason for anybody to try and change the constitution,
nikiza kuba kiri okureba ihanga ryawe
to remove the limit
okwiyaho obukomo
on term limits.
obukomo obw'omwebembezi ayine
It will be
kutegekeramu.
treason for any leader to try to extend their stay in power.
kiza kuba kitekereza kurya mu ihanga orukwe omugire okwongerayo obutegeki bwe
Beyond the 2 presidential terms.
okurenga ebisanja bibiri eby'omwebembezi ashobora kuba nategekeramu.
A vote for the National Unity Platform, ladies and gentlemen,
Akarura kokuza kuteera National Unity Platform
is an assurance that the citizens will never be persecuted for disagreeing with the government.
n'obuhame ngo abatuuze b'ihanga tibaragaruka kuhiganisibwa ab'obutikirizana na gavumenti.
A vote for the National Unity Platform
Akarura korateera National Unity Platform
is a vote for servant leadership.
n'akaruru ak'okuza kuba nooheereza abebembezi abakuza kuja bakuheereza.
If you make me your president,
kumura nkore omwebembezi wanyu
I will not be your boss,
tindabe mukama
I
wanyu
will be your servant.
niza kuba omuheereza wanyu.
Because indeed, you are supposed to be the bosses
nimwe abasheme kuba bakama
as
banje
the citizens of Uganda,
nk'abatuuze b'ihanga
and
ry'etu
leaders are
Uganda
supposed to be servants.
kandi abebembezi basheme kuba abaheereza banyu.
A vote for the National Unity Platform
Akarura kokuza kuteera National Unity Platform
is a vote for improved welfare for our soldiers, our police officers, our teachers, and our health workers.
ako n'akarura kakuza kurebekangu abasirikare bitu abashaho bitu abashomesa bitu na n'abandi bantu boona bagira amagara marungi baruga mu mbeera y'okubonabona.
A vote for the National Unity Platform
Akarura korateera National Unity Platform
is a vote for improved infrastructure, especially the feeder roads.
n'akarura kakuza kureetera enguuto zitu z'oku byaro okwo myanya yitu kwinjiramu nayo yakorwaho yaba kurungi.
A vote for the National Unity Platform
Akarura kokuza kuteera National Unity Platform
is a vote for economic transformation.
n'akarura kokuhindura embeera y'ebyentaasya embeera y'enshaho embeera
A
y'ebyasente.
vote for the National Unity Platform, ladies and gentlemen,
Akaruru ka National Unity Platform okubaza kukiheereza
is a vote for closing the income gap between the rich and the poor.
n'akarura kakuza kukendeeza okw'omuhango gulwo ahagati y'abagiigana n'abooro,
Between the uptown youth and the downtown youth.
ahagati y'abaana abakutuura omu tawuni omu myanya emirungi n'abari abakutuura hansi omu za ghetto.
It will be a vote for rewarding agricultural activity.
Nikakuba kari akarura k'okuteeka ebihembo omu bahingi na n'abaliisa.
It will be a vote for improved relations with the global community.
N'akaruru akakuza kuleeta habaho omukago omurungi na n'amahanga gana
And yes,
g'ensi
it will be a vote for the respect of our country among nations.
kandi kakuba kari akaruru ak'okuheereza ihanga ryaitu ekitiinisa omu mahanga gandi.
Friends, a vote for the National Unity Platform
Banywani banje akaruru ak'okuza kuheereza National Unity Platform
is a vote for massive investment in sports and athletics.
n'akaruru akakuza kuleeta eby'emizaano byona byatunguka.
We all know that the few times our flag has flown high in the sky internationally
Ntumanya ngu twena emirundi mike ey'ebendera yitu eyimukiibwa omwanya omu nsi yona.
has been largely because of our sportsmen and women.
Emirundi egyo mingi ebiireho ahabwa abaana bitu abazaani b'emizaano ey'emiringo yoona etakushana.
So let us cast that vote with our world champions at the back of our mind.
Leka tuteere akaruuru ako kana bariya abantu bitu b'amaani ab'omu nsi yoona tubiine omu nteekateeka yitu.
A vote for the National Unity Platform
Akaruuru ak'okuza kuteera National Unity Platform
is a vote for the protection of our natural resources as a country.
n'akaruuru k'okulinda obuhangwa bwitu nk'ihanga.
the same natural resources that General Museveni and his family are treating like their personal wealth.
Ebyo byobuhangwa bwitu obw'obuhangwa ebiri mu itungo ryingi ebyo Museveni ariyo nayitwara nk'ebyekaye.
It will be a vote for the deployment, for the development of science and technology.
Nikaza kuba kali akaruru ko kutongoza no kukuza sayansia na teknolojia.
It will be a vote for zero tolerance for corruption in Uganda.
Kakuba kali akaruru ko bushaza muno kwira otumwe oburwembuzi omu Uganda.
I said it will be a vote for zero tolerance of corruption, not only in words but in practice.
Nikakuba kali akaruru ako butikiriza oburwembuzi ekitiku kigamba bugambo mbigambo konkana no mbikorwa tudikirize tuturayemererere oburwembuzi omu ihanga ry'intu.
It is a vote
Nakaruru
for discipline in spending of public resources.
ako kuleta entwaza nungi n'emico mirungi omu nkozesa y'esente z'ihanga ry'intu.
It will be a vote for a smaller yet effective public administration.
Nikakuba kali akaruru ako kuteeka obuhango emico mirungi omu ntegeka y'abantu omu ihanga ry'intu.
Fewer MPs,
aba MP babe bake,
fewer ministers,
ba minister babe bake,
and yet effective administration.
konka biine obwebembezi burungi bari kuleeta ebintu birungi omu bantu
That
baabo.
is the vote for the National Unity Platform.
Ako niko karuru akora ateere ahabwa National Unity
In
Platform.
brief, ladies and gentlemen,
Omu bugufu batahi banje
the vote
abampurikiza
for the National Unity Platform
akaruru kora ateere National Unity Platform
is a vote for a renewed commitment to the dignity of the citizens of Uganda.
nakarura ko kugaruzaho obwesije na no kwezirikira kw'abantu omubebembezi aha bantu ba burijo
For the respect
na no kuteka ekitiinisa
Fundamental human rights,
aha bugabe bw'abantu obubiine
for the recognition
na no kumanya
that all citizens are equal before and under the law.
ngu abantu boona nibingana omu misho g'ebiragiro.
That will be the new Uganda for us.
Egyo niyo eraba Uganda yitu ensya buzima.
In a Uganda
Omu Uganda
where citizens are free to enjoy their God-given rights.
aha abantu boona abatuze b'ihanga barabe biine obugabe kushemererwa omu bugabe bwabo na no kushemererwa omu ihanga ryabo.
I know that many of you will ask me what will happen to you after you have given us that vote.
Nimanya bamwe nimuza kumbuuza nicyo kirabeho bwanyuma yo kumpeeza akaruru ako.
I mean, you're wondering what is going to happen when you give us that vote.
Nimanya bamwe nimwebuuza nimutangara nimubuzabuzibwa nicyo kirabeho mwaza kuteera akaruru ako.
My call to all the citizens has been and continues to be
Okweta kwanje abantu mwe n'abampurikiza abanya-Uganda kandi ningumiza muni nkigamba
that please turn up in large numbers to vote.
nimbeta ngu mwena murujeyo mwije muteera akaruru.
Encourage all the people that you can reach to turn up and vote.
Abantu bona bokubaasa kuhika bagambire biije bagarizemu amaani biije bateera akaruru.
Encourage them to believe in their vote.
Bagambire bagarizemu amaani biikirize omu karuru kaabo.
When we vote,
kuturateera akaruru
let us all take the responsibility to guard that vote.
leka twena tufeyo turebeke ngu twarinda akaruru kiitu.
When we guard that vote
kuturarinda akaruru kiitu
and anybody attempts to tamper with it,
omuntu akenda ngu akahindahindure
it will be the responsibility of all of us
niguza kuba guri omurimo gwitu twena
to defend our vote
okulinda akaruru
because
kiitu
it is provided for under the law.
akuba omubiri agira kutegeka ihanga ryitu ekyo
We
kirumu.
have done this before in Chadondo.
Tukakikola ekyo muri Kyadondo,
We have done this before in Jinja.
ekyo tukarakikozeraho muri Jinja,
We've done this before in Bujiri,
tukakikoraho omuri Bugiri,
in Ntungamo,
omuri
and
Ntungamo
in Arua.
na n'omuri Arua.
And it is time for us to do it all over the country.
Kandi obwire nibwo tukikore omu ihanga ryona.
Ladies and gentlemen,
So abampurikize
because no amount of oppression,
akuba taro
no
okwitwa
amount
kubi,
of intimidation
taro okutiinatiinisibwa
can stop an idea whose time has come.
aho kukubaasa kuremesa ekiteekateeko eky'obwire bwakyo
The
bw'okuhikirira
time is now,
kuhikire.
ladies and gentlemen.
Kandi obwire nibwobu,
The promise was made,
ekiraganiso kikakorwa
but we are the fulfillment.
konka niitwe
And
b'okukiikiriza.
God being on our side,
Kandi Ruhanga yaara hamwe
we
niitwe,
shall win this struggle.
tuza kusingura orugambo
Of
oru
the Almighty God.
omu izina rya Mukama waitu omukuru.
Thank you all for listening to me,
Nimbasiima mwena ab'okumpurikiriza.
and may God bless you.
Mukama abaheereze
May
omugisha.
God bless Uganda.
Mukama aheereze omugisha Uganda.
God and my country. Now, I want you to know that I'm still an artist. And I can still sing. And I want to invite my Nubian brother to come right here so we can prove to the world that we believe. And because we believe in a new Uganda, we sing that new Uganda. All right. Give us a vibe, Devin. It was 9th of October 1962. And the nation is born. Beautiful and all the policy of democracy. With unity and diversity. All on the nation, we build the nation and we make life better. That's nice. Now replay it again. Replay it again. Nubian, are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Great. It was 9th of October 1962 when our nation was born. Beautiful and endowed with the promise of democracy. With unity in diversity, all of them on a mission to build a nation that will make life better for the future generation. Well, we are that generation. We are the grandchildren of the independence generation, and we are the grandparents of the future generation. So we must, within ourselves, find solutions, since our leaders don't care about the next generation. All they care about is the next generation. Let's sing together. Uganda, Uganda, Devasirandi, Zukukarandi, Uganda, where are you, Mwana? Wekati tata, wekati mama. Zembaza watume mupange tona yenga tuloza ngabakuru. Wewane no kuigo kuisa mama wakuza wajido mululu. Tutemene pende tiae tuze kwange ni judama wakuru. Sama wejukize mutima we Uganda ne Uganda yekwe. We are the country, we are the future, we are the changing body. We are the youngest population in the world, we stand a chance. We are the leaders of the future, and the future is today. If we only come together, we can change our destiny. Chata Uganda twakiraba kikiite mwakula eyali omutoolu nabuzinga emyaka giyize kati yegwe muti omuto olabenga weejuna saba wenjigire mu kalulu kano akajuna enziyo oleme byakudda kubali kuloba enziyo ng'ebaba ogiraba oleme nakuba walayise eddembe lyo terigula bunusu njagala okimanye mutima betutya yegere basira Uganda, say Uganda, you sleep in mama land. Oh my, wake up mama land. Oh my, mama, Uganda, yes, Uganda, you sleep in mama land. Oh my, mama, wake up mama land. So listen to this one more time. Yes, we are the country, we are the future, we are the change we badly need. We are the country, the future, the change we badly need. We are the future, we are the change we badly need. We are the youngest population in the world, we stand a chance. We are the leaders of the future, and the future is today. You are the counselor of the future, and the future is today. You are the mayor of the future, and the future is today. You are the mayor of the future, and the future is today. You are the MP of the future, and the future is today. You are the ministers of the future, and the future is today. You are the MP of the future, and the future is today. You are the ministers of the future, and the future is today. I am the president of the future, and the future is today. If we only come together, we can change our destiny.
We really want to say thank you so much. You see,
okay, Mr. DJ, play for me track number 5. Alright, so we are going to have the manifesto officially launched. We are going to do it symbolically. And I can see the president is on standby, together with the deputy president and the other leaders.
we are launching the manifesto here.
Okay, are we ready?
When the struggle is over, we shall wear the victor's crown. We shall wear the victor's crown. We shall wear the victor's crown. When the struggle is over, we shall wear the victor's crown. In the new Uganda.
People power!
Our power! People power! Everywhere! NUP!
Thank you, ladies and Thank you to the team that organized this, Deputy President in charge of Western, Honorable Minister, and the rest of the team. Thank you.
NUP manifesto. NUP manifesto.
God bless Narora, God bless Uganda. Mr. DJ.